Okay. I'm going to show you what I have. I've got some caterpillars. So now I have them at my house so I can show them to you every day. And since I got them, I thought that today we could do a butterfly life cycle craft. So we can go over the life cycle. So I'm going to keep it right here so you can see. I'm going to move this a little bit, okay? So we know first this is an egg, and then it turns into a caterpillar, and then it goes into it's a chrysalis, or you can call it a cocoon, and then it comes out a butterfly. So those are the life cycles. So I have a paper plate. You could use a paper plate or a piece of paper, or if you have some extra cardboard boxes, you could use a sheet of cardboard. You could use whatever. I'm going to use a black Sharpie so that you can see it, but I'm going to draw a line because I have 4 cycles. So I need to have 4 spots. I'm going to draw another line. Okay? Do you see? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. Okay. So my first thing is I'm going to make an egg. You could choose to draw it, or you could glue something to it. I grabbed a cotton ball, and I'm going to glue little cotton ball so it looks like an egg. But in our caterpillar, the Hungry Caterpillar book, the egg is on, oops, it's on a leaf. So I used a piece of tissue paper. You could use green paper, or you could draw it. There's so many things. You could use any item to make it. So I have my egg. So what comes next? It's a caterpillar. So I'm going to glue, and I'm actually going to use my green tissue paper again. And you know what? I'm going to draw a little bit on my caterpillar. I'll give him some eyes, and maybe. That's my caterpillar. So you can choose how you want to decorate it. So what happens after the caterpillar? It goes into a cocoon or a chrysalis. I'm going to use some markers, and I'm just going to draw it. I think I'm going to draw little circles. Yeah? I grabbed 2 colors because I thought maybe I could mix it. So you could mix it. You could even do this as a painting project if you wanted to. I kind of changed the color a little bit, if you see. Should I make it on a little tree? Or another leaf? It almost looks like a honeycomb. Oops. There you go. You see it? So there's my little cocoon or chrysalis. What comes next? Did you say butterfly? That's going to be next? Okay. So I'm going to trace it first, and then I'll color it. So how I was going to draw it was I was going to do a circle for the head, and then make the body, and then a wing on this side, and a wing on that side. And then I'm going to mirror the image on this side. Mirroring means you're just doing it on the other side. That's my butterfly. And then you could color it if you want. So like I said, you could do this on a box, or you could do it on some paper, or maybe if you have extra paper plates you could use. I wonder if you could use this with toilet paper rolls. I don't know. You could try it. So I'm going to draw a little face. And if you wanted to, afterwards, you could label it. If you need help labeling it, you could ask for help. So the first one was what? What part of the cycle is the first one? It's an egg, so I'm going to write egg under it. Egg. And then what was next? caterpillar. So I'm gonna write caterpillar. And then what was next? The cocoon or chrysalis. So I'll write chrysalis or cocoon. You could write both, or you could choose which one you write. And then what was next? A butterfly. And that's our butterfly life cycle craft. If you make one, you can send a picture of it. Nice job, my friends.